I'm here today to share with you this electronic fingerprint bike lock. It comes in the package with the lock itself, a mounting bracket for your bike, a power cable here to charge it back up, and a full set of instruction in this manual here. This bike lock is used here with the keypad, uses your fingerprint to identify a user, and it will unlock as you use it. And the nice thing about this is you can add two different users to it, so if someone else wants to open it up, they can as well. This eliminates the need for any keys or any combinations like that, so you simply just use your fingerprint to unlock it. This is great for secure use, and it's very durable and weatherproof, and it also has a weatherproof cap over the fingerprint pad here as well. This is great to use for bike locks, and you can also use this for several other applications as well to lock and secure different items. Again, this comes with an instruction manual which will walk you step by step through all the processes of programming this lock for your fingerprint, adding another user, and clearing the user to add different users as well. If you want to, for whatever reason, change up different users as you go. Start by using your finger and it will unlock, and then from there you will program your fingerprint in there, and you just follow the instructions. And to program it, you just tap your finger, and there's different indication lights on here that will tell you if the fingerprint was accepted as the user. And now I will take you outside and show you the function of this bike lock. And after the bike lock is programmed, you're ready to install it on the bike. It comes with this base here that attaches with screws and a couple nuts here. I found the easiest place to do it is on the bike seat shaft, but you can mount it anywhere you would prefer. This comes with a red button that pushes in, and it attaches to the bike lock here, and it securely attaches to the mounting piece here. This is a very convenient product to use because you don't need to have any keys or anything like that would be lost. Simply just by using the keypad here, you can allow two different users to unlock it. This is a very durable product, and it is 100% weatherproof as well. The most common use is for bikes, but you can use this for pretty much anything you like to keep secure. Overall, a great product to use.